Laws of exponent. So let us start with the basic one. I believe that you must learn this one first, or maybe you know this already. So let us have a review before we start the topics on your book. Okay, so law number one. So x power of 1 equals x for all rational numbers. What do we mean about rational numbers? All rational numbers can be written as fraction. For example, 1/2. Okay, yes, this is rational. 0.5. Yes, this is rational. What else? Square root of 25, which is 5. Yes, it is rational. Okay. So what is so this one law number one. So it means all the numbers here, even the whole number. For example, 5. No, okay, let's change it. For example, 7. Okay. So all of this has power of 1. Okay, so I will use red. All of these numbers has power of 1, just like invisible. So unlike irrational numbers, when you say irrational numbers are the numbers that cannot be written in fraction. For example, 0.583000811 and unending numbers. Okay? It means this one cannot be written in fractions. That's why it is irrational numbers. Unlike 0.5, you can write it as a fraction, right? That's like 5/10. It is, no, it must be here. 0.5 equals 5/10. So you can write it as a fraction. So it means 0.5 is rational numbers. Any question? That is law number one. So multiplication law of exponents. So it means that we multiply, x power of m quantity times x power of n is equal to x power of m plus n, where we add the exponent if we multiply. Okay? So let us have some example. Can I move on? Okay, silence means yes. All right, example number one. Okay, so we have a power of 10 times quantity a power of 6. Okay, so we copy the base. We have the same base, so a and a. So what do? We add the exponent. So it is equal to a power of 16. Easy. Okay. Next, number 2. I think I can move to number 2 because I have a copy here on the right side. Oh, what happened? Okay. Next one. So b power of 8 times quantity b power of 9. So b power of 8 plus 9 power of 17. Okay, we read this as power. Okay, power of 16, power of 17. Okay. Read as b, okay, power of 17. Okay, this is how we read the exponent. Next. Okay. So how about this one? So we have b power of 4 times quantity b times b power of 5. Okay. So remember the first law of exponent, right? So this is b, so it means that it has power of 1. Okay? All rational numbers. So we have, okay, I will not write detailed now because I believe that you understand it already. So we have 4 plus 1 plus 5, which is 10. Okay, b power of 10. Okay? Moving on. Next. Okay, so how about this one? Can I erase this now? Please let me know if not. Okay. Okay, number 4. So 7b power of 7 times 4b power of 7. So simply multiply 7 and 4, which is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. And then b, so we add the exponent, right? 7 plus 7 is 14. Next. Okay. So a power of 2, b power of 3, then ab power of 8. Okay. So we add the exponents only with the same base, okay? The same base only. So I will write in detail. So a power of 2 plus 1, because we have 1 here, power of 1. Okay, remember, applying the law number 1. Then b, 3 plus 8. So we have, let's write it below. A power of 3, then b power of, how many is this? 11. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know before I continue. Because silence for me, it means you understand or maybe you don't care. But please let me know if you have question. Don't be shy. That's why we are learning. Okay, we are studying. Okay, next. How about this one? Okay, let me erase this number 4. Number 6. So we have negative 9 a power of 8 b times negative 5 b power of 5. Can I erase number 5? Silence means yes. Okay. Okay, so I will be in detail. Okay. Let's write the solution in detail. And negative 9 times negative 5 times a power of 8. Then b power of, so we have power of 1 here. Okay, 1 plus 5. Hey, can I ask Arada? Can I hear your voice? Arada. Hello.
Yes,
Okay,
mister.
so can you tell me the answer? Negative 9 times negative 5.
14.
It's multiply. It's not addition. Multiply.
45.
Yes. Okay. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
No. Okay. It is positive because when we multiply negative and negative, it is positive. Okay. So 45. What's next? What's next, Arada? 45.
45.
Okay. What letter is this or what variable is this?
A.
A. Okay. Power of
8.
8. And then B.
B. Power of 6.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. Okay. I'm giving marks now when I call the name. And that's one more thing, okay? In during the face-to-face class, after I teach the first topic or the one topic, the next meeting I call every student, okay, to answer on the board, and then write plus 5 marks on the notebook. Okay, that's Mr. Ken. Next, okay, so -5, a power of 2, b c power of 7 times 5a power of 3, b power of 5. Okay, so I will write the solution in detail. -5 times 5 times a power of 2 plus 3. And then b, okay, power of 1 plus 5. And then c power of 7. Okay, can I call Isari?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, so what is
Uh,
-5 times 5?
negative 25
Okay,
a to the power of 5,
uh-huh,
b power of 6,
okay,
and c power of 7.
very good,
7.
very good, very good. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, so let's proceed to law number 3. Can I erase now 6 and 7? Okay. Silence means yes, huh? That's for me. For me, silence means yes, so I can erase it. So law number 3, power to a power law. So in this law, on number 2, we add the exponent. But this one, power to power, so we multiply the exponent. Okay? Again, law number 2, we add the exponent when we multiply. Okay? But this one, power to power. Okay? X power of m, quantity power of n. So both power. So it means we have to multiply the exponent. Okay? We called it exponent, this one, the small one. Okay, so let us have some example for law number 3. Okay. So x power of 9 times 7. Quantity power of 7. So applying the law number 3, so x power of 9 times, okay, 7. So we have, how many is 9 times 7? Natcha? Natcha, can I hear your voice?
Which
Uh,
Nasha G or M?
huh? Number 9. Yes.
Not M.
Natcha, many.
Okay, Mr.
Hmm. What is number 1? Yeah, what is the 9 times 7?
X to the power of 63.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, next. Okay, number 2. Okay, so we have 2 power of 9, power of 2. Can I hear Pemika? What is the answer? Pemika, are you here? Again, please. 2 power of? Huh? Can you, how many? 9 times 2? Okay, so I guess you are saying 18. Am I correct? Okay, so your signal is not too good, so I cannot hear you clearly. Okay, but it's correct. Pemika. Okay, next. So you don't need to copy everything, okay, if you understand it already. It's okay, it's fine. Next. Uh, Sumita. What is the answer? Is Sumita here?
7 to the power of 20.
Okay, 7 power of
20.
20 or to the power of 20. Yes, that's fine. That's also correct. Next, number 4. Okay, wait. Next, Chayada.
N to the power of 42.
Okay, n to the power of 42. Very good. Next. Okay, so let's proceed to law number 4. Okay, the power of a product law. Okay, so this one, where is this one? Okay, I will explain. Okay, so x, y, power of n, or power of a product law. So you will just distribute, okay, this exponent, to each variable, which is x power of n, y power of n. Okay? So that's the law number 4. So let's proceed to some example. So we have 3x power of 8, quantity power of 3. I will use red pen. Okay. So we have 3 power of 3, x power of 8, applying the law number 3. Okay, 8 times 3. So 3 power of 3 is 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, right? This is 9 times 3, okay, 27. So 27x, 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so that's law number, what number are we now? 4, right? Yeah, number 4. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, number 2. Okay, so 9x power of 12, quantity power of 2. Ploy na pan. So, what should... 9 power of 2. And then x
Power of 12
times 2. So, how many is this? 9 power of 2?
81.
81. Very good. Oh, sorry. X power of
24.
24. Thank you. Okay, so next one. Okay, number 3. So we have A power of 7, B power of 6, power of 4. Piria. Okay, if you understand already, you can tell me the answer directly. Piria.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. So what's the answer?
A power of 28
28. Very good.
and B power of 24.
That's nice. Thank you. Okay, next one. Number 4. So C power of 6. So F power of 7, power of 4. Quantity power of 4. So Bunyapon. Can you tell me the answer?
C power of
Hmm.
28 and F power
No,
of
no. Again. 6 times 4 is not 28. 6.
24
Okay, 24. And then F,
and F power of 28.
28. Thank you. Okay. Next. Okay, law number 5. Okay, division law of exponents. So if you remember the law number 2, the multiplication law, we add the exponent. But because the opposite of multiplication is division, so if we add on number 2, then in division we subtract. Okay. Easy to remember. Multiply, add the exponent, in division or divide, subtract. Okay. Opposite of addition, subtraction. Opposite of multiply, division, okay, or divide. Okay, let's have example number 1. Okay, can you tell me the answer? Chanikan.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, can you tell me the correct answer?
A power of 2.
Power of
2.
2. Okay, very good. Next. Pinyapat. A power of
A power of 2.
2.
B
And
power of 3.
power of
3.
3. Okay, very good. Next. Yatika.
6x power of 4.
6 power of 4. Okay. Then
Uh, x power of 4.
4 also. Okay. So since 6 power of 4 is too much big number or too big number, so it's okay. It's fine to not to write the exact value, or you can write as 6x, okay, quantity power of 4. Okay. This is also correct. Next. It's Yatika, right? Am I correct? I called Yatika.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Next, Ganjapon. Am I correct in pronouncing your name? Ganjapon.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, okay, sorry for this. Okay, so A, power of, to the power of what?
A
Ten,
to the power of 3.
3. Okay. Then B,
B to the power of 7.
7. And C,
To the power of 4.
okay. Thank you. And next one. Okay, law number 6, the distributive law of exponents over division. Okay. So, okay, so X, so it's the same rule. So just distribute the exponent. Okay, distributive. From the word distribute, or just uh, giving, or distribute, placing or replacing it. Okay. Next. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat again? My internet was lost.
Oh, sorry. For this number 6?
Yes.
Okay. So for number 6, distributive law of exponents over division. So just like okay. Just like with law number, what's that? Yeah, just like law number 4, but this one is division. That's the difference. Okay? You will just distribute it also. So x power of n over y power of n. Okay, the same, similar to law number 4. Let's go back, number 4. Yeah, the power of a product law, distributive, right? But this one is multiplication. But in number 6, okay, it's division. But it's the same, distributive. Distribute the exponent. Okay now? Okay, so let's proceed to example number 1. Okay, so we have D, okay, over 7 power of 9. Okay, Pirada
D power of 9. 7
over over.
over 7 power of 9.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next one. Okay, number 2. Okay, so we have 3a over 4 quantity power of 3. Okay, so for this one, okay, I will answer it first. Okay, so 3 power of 3, distributive, right? Then a power of 3 over 4 power of 3. So we have 27 a power of 3 over, how many is this? 16 times 4. 64, right? Yeah, 64. Okay. If only two-digit numbers is fine, but if thousands already, so it's okay not to write the detail. Do you have option to save? No. Okay. Maybe later I will try. Okay. Next. Oh. Okay, 7, a power of 4, b power of 4, c power of 3, all over 4, a, b, c, quantity power of 2. Okay. How to pronounce your name, number 11? How to pronounce it?
Panarai ค่ะ
Panarai. Okay.
yes
Okay, so can you tell me the answer? Or we can do the step by step. It's okay.
step by step 7 power of 2
Okay.
a power of 8
Okay, very good.
and b power of 8
All right.
c power of 6
Okay. Over
4 4
power of.
power of 2
Okay.
a power of 2 b power of 2 c power of 2
Okay. Okay, thank you. And then I will call the next step. For the next one, Natcha, number 8. What's the next one? 7 power of 2. How many? Natcha, are you here?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. So what is 7 power of 2?
49.
Okay, 49. Over. What is 4 power of 2?
49 over 8.
Oh, no, not 8. 4 times 4 times 4.
16.
16. Okay. Then, what are we going to do with this one? A power of?
A power of 8.
What do we do when we divide? What do we do in the law of exponent? Okay, going back. Law number 5. You can see on the screen. What do we do when we
Yes.
divide? Oh, so what is the answer here? 8 minus 2 is? It's okay. Relax.
6.
6. Okay. Then B,
B power of
power of what?
6.
6. Okay. And then C,
C to the power of 4.
4. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So where are we now? Oops. Too much. Okay. Can we have the I think we cannot simplify. Can we simplify 49 and 16? No. Okay. Just 49 over 16. Okay. Next. Or, once again, you can write it also like this. Okay. A power of 6, B power of 6, C power of 4, all over 16. Okay. Both of these are correct. Okay. This one is correct. This one is correct. Okay. So don't panic. Okay. Both of these are correct. So next. Next one. Okay, 6 B C all over 4 quantity power of 2. Okay, so we can do the step 1, patarapak. Am I correct? Patarapak.
Yes.
Okay.
6
6 to the power of
power 2
2.
power of 2
Yes, okay.
A power of 2
Then,
B power of 2
okay.
C power of 2
All right. And then all over.
over 4 power of 2.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next step, Natnicha. So what is 6 power of 2, Natnicha? Are you okay? Are you here? Oh.
Yeah.
What is 6 power of 2?
36
36, yes. So,
36
and then, what's next? A power of 2.
B power of 2
Mm-hmm.
C power of 2
Okay, all over
over 16.
16. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, next. So we are almost finished. Okay, law number 7. Okay, 0 exponent. So x power of 0 is equal to 1, where x is not equal to 0. Okay. So what does it mean? So it means that we can use any numbers. For example, 3 power of 0 is also equal to 1. Even 1 million, okay, power of 0 is also equal to 1. Any number, okay, exponent of 0 equals 1. This one, where x is not equal to 0, it means 0 power of 0. Okay, so do not think that this is 1. Okay? It's not correct. Okay, so it's not equal to 1. Any number, we can use any number. Okay? Power of 0 equals 1. All right, so that's 0 exponent. Okay, next one. Oops. Okay. So I think I don't need to give more examples about this. Okay, so I will give only one. For example, 4, okay, 4 power of 0 plus 3 power of 0 plus 9 power of 0. Okay, so it means this one 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is equal to 3. Okay, remember that. So what if I use variables? So x power of 0 plus a power of 0 plus y power of 0. Okay. Any even variables, okay, with power of 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is equal to 3. Okay, remember that. anything, any power of 0 is equal to 1? Or what if we have 1/2 quantity power of 0, okay, plus 1/3 quantity power of 0. So it means this one 1 plus 1, so we have 2. Because it has quantity power of 0 is 1. Okay, let me remind you. Can I erase this now? Because I have something in my mind. Can I erase? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Silence means yes. Okay, let me be clear na. Okay, 1/2. Okay, power of 0 is not equal to 1 power of 0 over 2. Okay? They are not equal. Because, okay, why? This one is equal to 1. This one, 1 power of 0 is it's still 1. So it is still 1/2. Okay? That's why they are not equal. Remember distributive law of exponent, right? This one should be distributed. It should be 1 power of 0 over 2 power of 0. That's why it is equal to 1. But this one, it doesn't have parentheses or bracket. So only number 1 has power of 0. Okay. Then 2 has power of 1. So it cannot be equal to 1. Okay, are we clear? Clear na? Okay, next. Okay, the last one. The negative exponents. So x power of negative n equals 1 over x power of n. X power of n equals 1 over x to the power of negative n. So as you can see, it's just the opposite. Okay. If we have negative numbers or negative exponent, just make it denominator, okay, to become positive. And if we have fraction, negative denominator, just make it numerator to become positive. Okay, I will give some examples. Where x is not equal to 0. Okay, do I have some examples here? Oh, okay. So 9 power of negative 1. So just write 1 over 9. Okay. So this negative 1 will become positive. Okay. Next. Okay. 7 power of negative 8. So some students have a mistake with this one. Okay. They made like this, 7 over 8. Okay, so which is not correct. And some students do what do you call this, or the opposite one. Okay, 8 over 7, which is also not correct. The correct one, 7 power of negative 8, is that 1 over, so the whole, including the base and the exponent. So 7 power of 8. Okay. So some students made confused because it's not power of negative 1. So they thought that it's the negative 1 will bring down only the exponent, which is not correct. Okay. So the whole, what do you call this? Both variable or both base or the number and the exponent should be in denominator. Okay. Any question before I proceed? Okay, next example. Example this one. I will call the others later na. I will just want to make it clear. Okay, so 5 power of negative 3 times 5 power of 3. Okay, yes. So simply just multiply. Remember law number 2, right? Law number 2. So we have the same base. So we have negative 3 plus 3. Okay? Remember law number 2, the same base, multiplication, we add the exponent. So negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 5 power of 0. So it is equal to 1. Okay, can I call now Satapon?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, how about this one? Can you... Okay, let's do the step by step. Okay, applying the law number 2. What are we going to do with this? Up.
7
Power of... Let's do the step by step.
power of negative 6
Negative 6 plus
plus 8.
negative 8. Okay. So what is the answer? 7 power of...
7 power of 0.
No. Negative 6 plus negative 8.
2.
No, it's not 2.
7 to the power of 14.
Okay, positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, negative 14. Okay. So how can we make it positive exponent? 1.
1 over 7 to the power of 14.
Very good. Okay. Thank you. Okay, next one, Supawadi.
Yes, Mr.
Ah.
Mm,
So how many is 4 power of 2? How many is 4 power of 2?
4 power up to
How many is 4 times 4?
4 times 4, 16.
16. And to the 0 of exponent, 0 exponent, what is 4 power of 0?
1,
1. Okay, so our answer is
16.
16. Okay, very good.
Thank you.
Next, Warapicha.
Yes, Mr.
Oh, easy. What is the answer?
3.
3. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Last one. Yanacha. Oh, easy. What is the answer? Yanacha, are you here?
Yes.
Okay. It's easy. It has power of 0 outside. What is the answer?
1.
1. Okay, that's it.